Hello friends, today we came with our another newest edition. It's just came to our hand and it's gonna be in the market. I don't think so it's gonna hold it for quite long, so grab it as quickly as you can. So this car is 2015 Honda Civic. Nothing mentionable. This is the LE version, so basic one. There is no sunroof, there is a regular tire, not a alloy rim on it. So this is the LE version of 2015 Honda Civic. Now let's talk about the exterior. It's a black, inside it's a black and grayish seats, normal clothing, floor mats. It's like a standard normal floor mat. 2015 Honda Civic 4-cylinder, of course. This one have 105,000 mileage on it. Let's talk about the engine first. The engine, it's super quiet, nice, clean. There is never ever been in a heat. This car is a clean Carfax. Even the front grille, plastic, all of them are kept as it is, like a brand new one. This one, nothing. Up here there are no dents, nothing. Even this one, the original as it is. The sound of the engine, it's so sweet, perfectly balanced. Even I drove this one, it's perfectly balanced, nothing majorly mentionable from the engine portion. Let's talk about the body of the car. The body from the front, start from the front, nothing, absolutely fine, nothing mentionable. In the door, front driver door, no scratch. Driver side rear door, no scratch, not even a scratch. Let's come to the trunk portion. Up here you will see there is a small dent. Maybe if you just put it on the vacuum suction cup and try to pull it up, it's gonna come up, but it is what it is. There is a one dent, but on that dent there is no scratch. It's right next to the gas tank. Let's talk about the bumper portion. Rear bumper, no scratch, nothing. Hood, no scratch, nothing. Let's talk about this portion. No scratch, nothing. Door, passenger side rear door, there is a one small, barely visible, you see. Let's talk about the passenger side driver door, no scratch. Now talk about the front mudguard. There is a one scratch, just a no dent, nothing. You will see up here there is just a scratch, that's it. Let's talk about the front. In the front, no scratch, nothing. Only thing is in a down there is a small scratch. Maybe people when they park up, there is a one thing, nothing mentionable. Yeah, as usual, go to the highways, in the bonnet there are a couple of small whipped off from the stones. Rather than that, it's nothing mentionable. this car is very neat and clean. And let's talk about the behind, what we have. Trunk space as usual, standard size. All the mats, original mats are there from the Honda Civic. Rear, yes, jug, nut screw, jug upper, standard size spare tire. That's it. Neat and clean. You can actually fold the seat from here as well. You see, you push it up, there is a up button, then the rear seat goes down from here. The whole rear seat goes down. For more trunk space, the whole seat goes down. It's all full foldable. Let's drive this car. Let's see how it drives and everything. So come to the inside portion. As usual, in the standard, there is no scratch on the doors or anything from the inside. Most of the time we found it out, all those used cars, if there is a scratch, major scratch are gonna be in the driver side door. Nothing. This is the trunk lock. You can lock the trunk and the bonnet and also the fuel cap by putting the key here. Then let's talk about this one. Have a two different panel for the driver information. One is in a down. This one have a RPM meter, reset buttons, hold buttons and everything. And on top of it you will see one-sided screen. This is for the rear view camera as well. Okay, rear view camera. And this side you see there's a speed meters and everything. So when you drive, it feels like a whole panel one-sided, and there is another panel inside. So from inside it's like aerodynamic. The whole set, it's faced towards the driver, so that driver can control all the climates and everything. Now in middle console, shifter, there is a one thing up here I mentioned. It's after the D there is a S and L. So when you found it out, it always goes S most of the time. So as a driver, if you are you have to be careful on this one. Middle console, there is a glove box, standard. In the gloves box there is a USB connector. You can connect your USB from the entertainment system from here. Standard size upper mirror. There is a eco mode button is in this side. If you put it in eco, then the whole car is in a eco mode, and you will get almost like I got it almost like 42 mile per hour in gallon. Okay, let's drive in a normal mode. There is a auxiliary port and maximum. There is an auxiliary port here as well, and there is a one power outlet. That's usually comes with the 8 volt, but this one comes with the 12 volt and 140 watt max. So all the standard equipment you can put it on here. There is a one clip box is here. It's a flippable, very nice. All the AC control I already mentioned. So and another most important thing is that here, although it's a EX version, but you see all the stitches, it feels like that it's like a leather. Okay, it's an artificial leather, but you know the XLE version, usually the XE version, it's like a plastic, it doesn't come with that, but it is what it is. Let's drive this car. Put it in drive. Let's go for the handling. Pretty stable. No noise, nothing comes up. Even the stability, perfectly stable. Now let's go to some bumpy roads to find out that how the suspension. Suspension is pretty nice. Honda Civic, it's a nice car. It's a nice car for any age. No doubt about it, no question about it. Even the quality of the Honda, nobody can put a finger on it. But especially on this car, although it's 105, only 105 and 2015, its car drives really nice. It's drives like a new. Even the smell of this car, it feel like you are in a new car. Even the smell is not gone from a new car. Sharp turns, perfectly balanced. Bumpy roads, you see I'm driving almost like 30 mph and the steering is stable. Let's go. It doesn't goes anywhere. Right now the car is driving 34 mph. No suspension issue, nothing. I'm not holding. You see, the car is driving absolutely straight, perfectly balanced. It doesn't goes right or left. Even all those bumpy roads I'm driving, the suspension, it's pretty stable. 50 mph. Take the hands off. The car is driving absolutely straight, perfectly balanced. You see the mileage up here, it's a 105,653 mileage on it. The mileage meter is there. This is the speed meter. Now this is our Honda Civic 2015, black color. It's a nice car. Grab it as quickly as you can. Let's talk about the tire. The tires are up here. I will say 40% life is left. Passenger side front, yeah, same thing, like almost 40% life. The rear is, I will say, same here, 40% life. The tires are in, it's a brand tire, it's a Firestone tire. Up here same, 40% life. Overall car drives is really fine. It's a really nice car, nice family car. This car is perfect for any age group of people, anyone. So before it goes, grab it. Definitely check the description box below to get the link that how much we are asking for this one, and make sure grab it as quickly as you can. As I mentioned, we put a decent amount of price. We are not charging too many high prices or anything, so always our car usually goes so fast. So like, subscribe, share this video, share to build up our businesses. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.